It was a long day. We didn't get home here till after 11:30 last night, which is way too late. Anyways, this morning we got to get to work we got to put a roof on this place. So I got the lumber here, and I got to do some, we're going to put a low slope peak roof with metal, because we got to protect that roof. It's getting soft and it's just flat, and we just got to protect that building. So we're going to put a roof up there and a roof down below on this other part, and then a roof here. We're going to put a roof over everything in sections. So I'm doing the biggest one first, the 2-story. So let's get at it. Okay, so here's our 2x4. Now, this is local, actually old-fashioned. It's 2 inches thick, 4 inches wide. So we want a little extra strength up there, and I'm just trying to get away, make it sufficient, strong enough, but the cheapest way possible, or less materials possible, without skimping on quality, of course. So anyways, we go over to local people here sawing lumber, so that's great. I don't have 12-foot logs. I don't have access to logs. I don't have a mill right now, so some things we just gotta skip over. And I'd love to be able to saw all my own stuff. I just don't have time. So we gotta get a roof on this place. So anyways, so I'm gonna show you now how to do. So according to Bruce, my buddy Bruce, you've seen before, he gave me a measurement. So we're gonna go with a 2-on-12 pitch. So I got that center board up there at at the top of that center board is 24 inches. So so that should be 2 on 2-on-12. So here we go. So first of all, every piece of lumber, it's got a bow into it. So this one here is bowed. So you want to make sure the bow is on the up, because weight's going to come on it, right? So this is going to be our top right here. So so we're going to use the square here. And 2-on-12, what that means is you go with 2 inches here. Now if you use the inside scale, you got to use it both ways. So 2 there, and then 12 here. So 12, 2. So that's what that. So 2, 12, which is a very low peak. A lot of places are 3, 4, 5, 6 on 12 is a pretty steep one, but anyways, so that's our angle right there. So let's mark that. 212. Yeah, so I'm gonna mark this first one. Make sure I got enough. Now these are 12-foot stuff. I just want to double check this, make sure I got enough left over for. I don't need actual 12 feet. I just need 11. Huh? Oh, hang on, no, this is not the right one. This is a 10-footer. Okay. I got 10s here too, so I'm gonna put this away, because where's my 12s? Down here. Okay. This one here is a 12. Let's try this again. Okay, let's check the bow. Which way is the bow? This one's pretty straight, actually. Yeah, okay, we're gonna call that the top. Call this the top. 2. A little cool this morning. 12 degrees, 13 degrees. Still in August. 2, 12, yeah, right there. Okay. Those 10-footers are for the ends, like the end cap on all the roof truss. So, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's just well over 12, no problem. Cool. All right, so let's take this up and see. Well, let's cut it first, and then we'll see. Okay, that works good there. I messed that up. My angle's the wrong way. So let's see. Okay. This one was straight, so yeah. Okay, it doesn't matter. I messed that up. Yep. For my angle, wherever my top and my bottom, I could recut it, but it's not matter. This one's actually straight, so who knows which way is it going to warp, or if it's going to warp at all. So anyways, I gotta remember that for the next one. So we gotta get it up here. Okay. One level. Let's go up to the next level. Yeah, so this roof first. This one here is a little smaller, so it's easier to do. See the water pulling on that? Not good. So we're gonna put a peak, same thing, this side. And then this one here is gonna be last. It's gonna nail on a board onto the wall here and out over. That's why I haven't finished my doors and my wrap. And then we're gonna keep going with this one, if I can. I'm gonna have to get some scaffolding. Keep going out here and have a slant over all this. This will be underneath the roof right here. Oh, there's no water pooling up here. It's probably all drained inside, that's why. Anyhow. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, so it's a little less than 2, I guess. I don't know. He said 2 foot, but maybe 2 foot should be the bottom, but we got 2 foot to the top here. So maybe I'll cut it back to 1.5 inches on 12. Let's see. So you see the gap we got in the bottom here? So yeah, but if you do this right here, that line, now it's pretty straight. So I think 24 is actually the bottom of the truss. So we'll just I'm not changing the height of this, so I'm just going to modify my cut. So I think 1.5 inches might work. So I'm going to get square, bring it up here, and we're going to play with that. Then I'm going to go down and cut a bunch. Okay, we got 6 out of 22 cut. There they are. So let's get those up on the roof and let's see this thing take some shape. Penny, come on. Come. Come on. See a sailboat out there, just leaving the harbour. Yeah, they came in 2 days ago. Behind the trees here now. Oh, you can hear the engine running. There was actually 3 that came in. And this couple's from Gaspé, Quebec. That's a 35 Mirage, they told me. They're actually heading to Lewisport. So, yeah, they're heading to Lewisport, I think, and that's it, taken up for the year. Beautiful morning. Yesterday was a bad day, bad morning, so today now is really good. So, yeah. Good for them. Anyways, our sailing's over for this year. So, let's get up, see how this is going to work out. Gotta see, I get kind of anxious when I don't see things happening. Anyways, there they go. Beautiful morning of fishing, but you're not allowed to fish. Penny, get up here. Hey, come on, get up here. She's chasing. I think she's chasing birds. We've been doing some squirrel cleanup, I'll call it, and she's really likes that. So anyways, but I think she gets distracted with the small birds too. But, well, we're coming along pretty good. So we got a few there put in place. The chimney is a little bit off to one side. I'm gonna wait. Well, when I'm ready to sheet it over, I guess. Not sheet it over, but strapping. I'll just tear this apart. That's up a bit. I'll just cut this off and I'll put something over it, temporary, so like I said, it won't be very long and I'll have my roofing. So anyways, so just off a couple inches. I might leave it there too, I'm not sure yet. Anyhow, we'll deal with that. And yeah, so I got my 4 corners, my 4 lengths here. I'm gonna use a string once I get the rest. So I'm gonna go down now and saw my angles. My angle still wasn't quite right, so I think I'm more of an inch and a half is more right, not inch and a quarter, inch and a half, inch and 3/4, and then a string line across and cut them all off. Put my tow board on. I'm gonna put in my sheet in my ends as well. It's gonna take some time because once I get the roof on, I want to have access up here without scaffolding, and I don't want to do that. So, anyways, this part's gonna go fast, and then some minor details will go slower. So. Okay, I think I've had enough for today, so I'll show you what I've done. So I got the gable end partly done over there, enough that I could put my eave on, and then my tow board, or not tow board, but end board, I forget the name of it anyways. And then I'll also block in between the trusses, because that's it, that's going to be the finished eave. I'm not going to box it underneath or nothing, just the metal will go on top of that now. So. And then on the edges, I'll have to fill in the gaps between the strapping. And yeah, I have to fill that in so that nothing can get up here. So yeah, so coming along pretty good for, I got the bunch cut there. Doing the gable ends. I got to do it now, because if not, it's too hard to do from the ground, right? So. Do that now, and I'm gonna come up here. It looks pretty good. It's the same as the rest of it. So anyways, later on maybe I'll do something with it. So I'm just using the recycle. I'm just taking the board just like it is, sticking it on, nailing it on, and then cutting it off with the reciprocating saw. So a piece I cut off over there, I end up using right here. Fit perfect, no cut. So I just gotta add on to that now little pieces, and that's it. So that's it for today. Now I gotta go to do some plumbing probably.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.